Next up, Linz. How the hell did that thing get in there? We're now in the town of Hossgang. Gemeinde Neustadtl. I think I'm butchering all this pronunciation. Oh, it's a nice roundabout. According to a local that I spoke to down there in Manuelas, Danube River used to be a glacier. That kind of explains why there are big rocks around it, like those ones there, bit there, and the ones that I saw earlier. That's pretty much bikers, cyclists. Little details like this in the pathway, right? You could tell that the bicycle path goes there because of the pattern on the side, as you can see. It's kind of a little bit flowy. Obviously there was a sign over there, so you kind of know. But even if there's no proper signs, you could still figure out which way is the bicycle path. It's pretty organized. And now the road kind of flows to the right. And then here there's also a sign. It's very well organized, I must say. Another resting area. I'm not sure what this is. It looks pretty interesting, huh? Okay, there is some kind of a mechanical system that connects it to this side. Some gearing system. I wonder whether it used to be a well. You know, someone operates it from the one side and then somehow the other side does something. Either way, that's a very nice resting area. Very beautiful resting area. Looks like a great spot for camping. Wow, very nice area. It's for canoeing, kayaking, and also for a walk around the lake. It's beautiful. Another thing that I like in Austria are these public toilets. Very clean. I mean, for the most part they are. You don't have to put money in or something, you know. Well, actually some of them does. I've seen one in Graz by the climbing spot, but most of the time these two public toilets are just free. Another Radweg station where you can fix your bike if something wrong happens to it. Beautiful. Amazing. Quick recap, this is Vienna. So I went there to Vienna and then cycled through the Danube River, followed the northern side of the river and then down to Tulln and then all the way to where I am is right here, Wallsee. So last night I've stayed very close to Ibs. It's summer here actually. Yeah, I'm getting close to the end of this particular route. And I think the next station would be the way to Linz. There's probably another tourist info with a similar sort of style. That's another hydro station. Headwind makes it a little bit tough. Oh, this sucks. Somehow, Eurovelo 6 has stopped. I must have missed the turning point. Oh, that sucks. I've cycled quite a lot now, since the last turning, I think. Oh, Jesus. And my GPS didn't even warn me. See, it's still carrying on. Like, what the fuck? I can't cycle through that. It's gonna take me ages. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have to go back, unfortunately. No, I was like so excited to hit my 50 kilometers mark by midday. It's looking unlikely now. This was the junction. I missed it. So I went back there for 4 kilometers, which means I've wasted 8 kilometers worth of cycling. How did I miss this though? No wonder why it gets quieter back there. The road was so nice, I didn't even realize that's the road there. There's even a markings on the road. How did I miss this? Look, there's a clear marking, you know? So I completely missed this one there. Hi.
Hi.
So that was the signpost that I missed. I kind of didn't put so much attention though, because I saw the symbol number 6 and with a 1. It's donauradweg. I thought it just keeps going on. But actually the signpost to the left also include that Eurovelo 6, which is right here. There's a way to the left. Okay. And there's another one there. No, I don't want to take that road. It looks like there's another option over there. I'm gonna have to check it out. It looks like there's multiple ways of going to stpantaleon, either through that dirt road or through some of these villages out here. Seeing this symbol like shells. I think it's part of the Camino de Santiago, and usually the starting places of those, I thought it was from France and Portugal, but it looks like it extends all the way from Austria and probably beyond, maybe Hungary, I don't know. Yeah, I've seen that for a while now here in Austria. Anyways, this is nice. Look at that. Radler Rastau, so it's like a resting area. And then they provided this bridge with some jams. Oh, I might need some jams. And then here, you just have to pay by putting the money in that box. So it's like a self-service thing, right? And the prices are over there. But anyway, there's some like really nice things here. Like some stuff within the cardboard. I don't know what that is, I'm gonna check it out. And then some marmalade. I might buy some actually. Sell by date 31st of August, so there's still plenty of time. I might try that. It's $2.50. So look what I've got. Some pastries. And these are the ingredients. I don't understand, but it looks very nice. It's well packed as well. Lovely. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Very good. That's jam. Today's breakfast, some chia seeds, which I soak in water since last night. And then I have some muesli. Gonna add some blueberries, some pistachio chocolate to sweeten it up, and some Alpro vegan milk. And it's flavored with cacao as well, cacao and soya milk. Lovely. Hello. A viewing point for snipers. No kidding. So farmers here in Austria tries to kill out animals by firing them at that viewing point. So they'll go up there, they'll observe and see if there's anything moving, and then they'll shoot at them. So what are they, like foxes, deers, birds, you know, that are ruining the crops? Pretty interesting. I've seen them a lot. It's pretty much all over the country. While I'm out here, might as well check it out. There's the ladder here. Yeah. Oof, better be careful here. Oh, look at that, the door's open already. Okay, I guess I sit down here and then take a shot from this angle. You have a full view. Oh, some bullets here. Okay, that's interesting. I can't spend long here. That was the highlight of the day, guys, so you can stop watching now. Radler station. I'm so happy I found this. I hope it works. Yes, because I'm just about to run out of water. Another thing that's quite popular here in Austria is if you want to buy some of the magazines or newspapers, you just put the money in the and the price is there. Instead of you going into supermarket, which might be quite far, then that's one of your options. Passau, 106 kilometers, and then Linz, 14. That's good news because it looks like it's about to rain, and it's been quite windy. So much headwind, and I could already feel some mist. Looks like a bit of a rain as well. What an amazing park, very clean. Boat restaurant reminds me of a temple in London. So I got caught by the rain. I wanted to do more distance, so I'm currently sitting at around 90 kilometers. I wanted to do more so that I could reduce the time or the distance that I wanted to do for tomorrow. I need to get to Munich by Tuesday, and actually I needed a cafe as well in order to message my friend. As I was cycling past this bicycle path, I then saw this very odd structure. Looks like a snail, and it's made of wood. And I thought it's quite fantastic. It's amazing. So I check it out, and there's some seats inside. And I thought, there's a warning sign over here, and I really don't think I'm allowed to stay here. But given my situation, it's raining, I needed shade and cover, I kind of decided to stick myself here, and potentially I could set up my tent inside. It's not completely covered because there's some gaps where the water could seep in, But it's okay, it's the best place that I could afford today. Otherwise, if I carry on cycling, I may find another place, but I'm not 100% sure whether I could find a shade, a proper shade. Actually, there's a restaurant down there that I could try as well. But the problem with the restaurant though is they do have CCTVs usually, and I don't want to get any attention from people.